Today we are going to learn about the 1x1 ribbing alternate cable cast on. To start, create a slip knot. Place that slip knot onto your needle and then knit into this first stitch. Now we want to place the stitch back onto the left hand needle, and to do that we will go into it from the front with the left hand needle and place it back onto the right. You want to have enough space with these stitches here. You don't want to put them on too tightly, because the next thing we're going to do is take your right hand needle and place it between the two stitches and they intersect. Now we are going to purl through these two stitches and then place that stitch onto the left hand needle. Now our yarn is in the front, which means we just completed a purl stitch. The next thing we want to do is take our yarn to the back and now insert your needle through those two stitches and knit, placing this new stitch back onto the left hand needle. And then we repeat those two steps. Since we're doing a purl stitch next, we will bring our yarn to the front, insert our right hand needle between the two stitches on the left hand needle and purl, placing the stitch back onto the left hand needle, take our yarn to the back, needle through the first two stitches and knit, placing that stitch back onto the left hand needle. We repeat this all the way across for a 1x1 cable cast on. Now when you cast on the number of stitches that you've wanted, we just ended by doing a knit stitch. We will simply begin our work by creating the 1x1 ribbing, where we do a knit and a purl and a knit and a purl. And what this cast on does is it really creates a nice beginning edge where our ribbing just kind of melts into the bottom. I used this edge recently on a really cute knit top that you can find on my blog. This is what it looks like on the bottom of this cotton t-shirt. It's really nice starting for this shirt. It has a somewhat flexible bottom for that ribbing, but I really love the beginning edge.